سلام كما يتوعلو alright اسك سلام زلو معالتي كبرو سلام زلو معالتي كبرو يا خمتري وزلهم ناي انفيديا ريبورتي نحوات كرئي ناي انفيديا ريبورت سوري ابسرح زلنا ربعي جوالي ناي انفيديا ريبورت ابرهالو دحوبي انفيديا Okay, all right. Yes, NVIDIA. All right. There you go. Q1 2026 is the Lonata. Q1 night كلتشحن 26 NVIDIA. انت ختم سألنا تخيل we'll see what happened. Okay. All right. اتو انت لكم طبقي اوكي قدمو انتاي نصبه نزبل حتو نابتي نصبه زلنا رأس خنملس خنمصينا حوات okay my boys keep texting all right Nathan I'm a little busy boy there you go I just want to make sure if I am live all right a little busy daddy Nathan please hold on okay grum so share allo so Q1 تثبيتنا انا انفيديا مسنا اذا حلف عمد كاخنا وادرنا انت انا نصبزلنا ابزي Q1 ازي by the way night 2026 calendar year is there نازل هجنا انفيديا I know بس احنا نكتب لهم yes that's how work so EPS expected EPS انت انا نصبزلنا earning per share 0.73 سنتيم نصبلنا revenue ويكا اتاويتات كا 4.34 بليون نصبلنا احوات زي ان كلتين هجي نصبي زلنا last year ناي like 2025 كنو بلينا ناي last year Q1 ذا حالة عمد انتاي ترأيو I know 2026 2025 كوم كساب زخونه ايه احوات Q1 2026 يلي هجي جمرنا انفيديا اوكي بخما حزوة ناي last year ابز اوان زي EPS كندي رخيبنا نيرنا 0.61 سنتيم رخيبنا نيرنا ان revenue خا 26.04 رخيبنا نيرنا alright هجي ابز عمل زي خندي كراكبنا نزبل حتو كان وي نز تثبيت زي نرخبو 4.34 بليون እንደገና 0.73 سنتيم من EPS قال هذا عبي ነገር አለ ህዋት እዚ H20 ዝበሃል ናብ ቻይና ዝሽየጥ ዝነበረ ቺፕስ ኤክስፖርት ዝግበር ነበረ እዚ ትራምፕ መጽዮ ኣብ ዝሓለፈ ኣፕሪል 9 እንታይ ገርዎ ይጠጠው ኣቢልዎ ኦኬ እዚ ጠጠው ኣቢልዎ እንታይ ኢልዎም ብዘይ ላይሰንስስ ኣይን ሸይጥና ናብ ቻይና ዋላ አንተ ቦ ሪፖርተር ነርና ኤኒ ቺፕስ ናብ ቻይና ከምዘይ ንብ ቻይና ሸይጥ ከምዘይ ደልዩ ገሊጹ ዋላ ቻይና ጥራሕ ኣይኮነትን ብዙሓቱን ኣላ ሶ እዚኣ ተሕተ ህጂ እዛ H20 ትብል እንታይ ጉድኣት ከተምጻላ ትኽእል ኣብዛ ኤርነን እዚኣ ሕዙኒ almost ናይ 5.5 ቢልዮን ኾን inventory ነዚያ H20 ተሰርሐ ነይሩ ክሸጦ ኣይከኣለን ናይ ኢንቪዲያ ማለት ሶ እዛ ጽልዋ እዚኣ ናይ ዛሬ 5.5 ቢልዮን እንታይ ዓይነት ጽልዋ ከተምጽ ኣለው ማዓንቲ ብሰንኪ እዚኣ ኢንቨስተር ፈርሁ ዘሎ ማለት ኦኬ ኣብዚ ዳውን ይኸውን ዶ almost about like 42 ይኸውን ዶ 41 ቢልዮን ይኸውን ዶ ወይ ከዓ ቢት ወይ ከዓ ነዚ በጽሐ ዶ ብሰንኪ ናይ ናብ ቻይና ክሸይጥ ስለዘይከኣለ ኢንቪዲያ ናብ ቻይና ቺፕስ ክሸይጥ ስለዘይከኣለ ጥራሕ ኦኬ ካል alright ናብ ቻይና ካል ቺፕስ ክሰርሕ ከም ዘላ ኢንቪዲያ ፍልጠለና ወላ አንተ ቦ ትራምፕ እንታይ ኢሉ ዝኾነ ናብ ዝኾነ ቺፕስ ክሸይጥ ከም ዘይክእል ይገልጽ ንህለኩም ኦኬ chip software stocks sink on report Trump ordered halt to China sales that's he don't want to sell anything in China ማለት ይዋት ስለዚህ ግን ኢንቪዲያ በተመሳሳይ ከላ አይነት ቺፕስ ሰራሕ ከም ዘላ አፍልጦ ወይ ካውን አፍልጦ ይባላ alright እዛ H20 ግን ማዕረኽ እንደ ከተሐስያ ትኽል እዚኣ ታፍርህና ለማዓንቲ ኦኬ so market ክር ይኸልና ኣብዘለና ይዋት እንድሕሪና as of now yeah Nvidia is big drop ላይዎ ኣብ closing በቃ big drop ያገራ ዘላ almost 137 ገለ በጽሓ ነራ ብሰንክዛ ቺፕስ በሃል ምሻጥ የለን ዝበላ ሪፖርት ትራምፑን ድሮፕ ገራቶ ማለት እዩ ካል Palantir is down almost high ከረኔራ ያለው ማዓንቲ and then Tesla look this حوات Tesla maybe ናብ 350 ክሪኣ ንኽእል ኢና as long as እንድሕር ናይ ኢንቪድያ ጽቡቕ ሪፖርት ረኺብና maybe Tesla ኢንቪድያ ኩለን ተተሓሒዘን ክኸዳ ይኽእላን ኢንቪድያ እንድሕር ጽቡቕ ሪፖርት ተዘይረኺብና ግን Tesla we can see that ናብ 350 ገጻ ክንምለስ ትኽእል እያ 360 to 365 በፂሓ ነይራ ብሰንኪ ናይ ኢንቪድያ ጽልዋ እንታይ ከምጽእ ንማርኬት ኩላ ሕጂ ሒዛታ ዘላ ኢንቪድያ ሪፖርት እንታይ ከተምጽያ እዚኣ ክትሕዝ ሕዋት ናይ ኢንቪድያ ሪፖርት እንድሕር ተጽቢትና ኣብዚ ንብሎ ዘለና ንጽበዮ ዘለና ማርኬት ጽበዮ ዘሎ እንድሕር ቢት ገይሩ ግን ኣብዚአን ክልተ እንድሕር ቢት ገይሩ yes we will see እቲ ራሊ ጽባሕ again ዋል ጽባሕ ካልእ ሪፖርት እውን ኣለና ማለት GDP revision number 2 ኣለና ንሱ እውን ድሓን እንድሕር ኮይኑ መጽኢ ማለት alright we have 5 minutes to go ሓሙሽተ ደቂቕ ስለ ዘለና ፀገም ኣይኮነን let me make sure why this computer is not working okay 5 minutes to go okay so like nvidia نهري nvidia رايوا nvidia እንድሕር ኣብታ ሪፖርት እንታይ ኣምፅያ of course በዓል ተስላውን ክሪአና ኣለና ምስኣተን ተሓጊዘን ስለ ዝኸደአን ካቲ ውድ አንተቦ እዚኣ ንእሽተይ ሪፖርት ለሃና ካቲ ውድ ቅድሚ ኤርኒን አንተቦ 34,000 ሸር ይኸውን ገዚኣ something is coming ካቲ ውድ ኩልኩም ትፈልጥዋ ናይ QQ CEO ማለት እዩ ካቲ ውድ almost ናይ 34,000 ይኸውን share of nvidia ገሊፃ so nvidia እዚ ንብሎ ዘለና 43 ቢልዮን እዚ EPS ንብሎ ዘለና 0.73 ንዑ እንድሕር ቢት ገይራቶ we will see rally ሕዋት ካልእ ማለት ትህበና ናይ Q2 ናይ Q3 ከዓ revenue ኣብኡን ወሳንነት ኣለዎ ማለት ክንዲ ዝኸኦ ትኽእል ክንዲ ዝኽብል ይኽእል ንዝብል ሕቶውን ኣብኡን እንታይ ክትበናያ ክንሪኦ ኢና alright that is we have another 5 minutes to go or ክንደይ 3 minutes to go so nvidia እንድሕር ለኹም ኩሉ ሻዕ investor relation ኢልኩም ከድኩም ቸክ ትገብሩ ትኽእሉኹም ናይ ዝኾነ ካምፓኒ ማለት still it's not selected 2025 yet nothing yet okay market why nizibel that's all is down almost 0.6% and then S&P is down 0.55% Nasdaq is down 0.7% Russell is down 0.89 VIX up 1.32 because of what nvidia earning that's it sub like traders ወይ ከዓ ነጋዶ ናይ nvidia earning እንታይ ክኸውን ንዝብል big company ክሳብ ዝኾነት nvidia ፍርሃት like ኮይኑሎ all the eyes on nvidia now ማለት እዩ let me do this while I'm doing it in here okay still there is any kind of news hello da ስማዕ ኣለኹ ድምጽ ጽቡቕ ተሪኢኹሞ ናብ ቻይና ኤክስፖርት ዝኸውን suspended ገይሮም ኣለዉ ኤክስፖርት ላይሰንስ while review takes place በቃ ናይ nvidia እዩ ካልእ ኣይኮነን ንnvidia let me shut this for you guys so USA commerce spokesperson እንታይ ኢሉ ዘሎ ናብ ካብ ኤክስፖርት ዝኸውን ካብ USA ናብ ቻይና license የድልዮ ስለ ዝኾነ like under review allo takes place maasium we don't know this is why market hedge drop here zolo because of this the aluminum for puzzle zaharm zolo na nvidia chips H20 ማለት alright እንጽበያ ኢና ግን ልክ ናብዚ ክንከይድና well nvidia okay all right we will have it right away So yeah, market close ገይሩ ለህጂ ሰዓት 2 ስለ ዝኾነ yeah, Tesla is close almost. Wow. Oh, that's all right. It's 358.54. That's good. Nvidia is look, Nvidia ina khri hiji حوات. Palantir is still not happy. Nvidia abza ክንገብራይና ኣብዚ ኣካል ኮምፒውተር ስለ ዘላትኒ በዚኣ ቸገብረ ወፂና ይወፀን እንድሕር እቲ ቤት ገራቶ ትፅቢት ሕዋት ትፅቢት ንፅበዮ ዘለና እዚኡ ዳብል ቸክ ክንገብሮ EPS 0.73 and revenue 43.34 ተምድሕርኩም ዝኣተኹም ማለት እዩ So let's go to Nvidia. Aftermarket looks like turning, but not yet. All right. I hope not miss in the حرقيراتها بتاع مشكلك في الطريق. Why don't have it in here? Not 2025, 2026. Let's go this in here. Let's be in here. There. What will happen tomorrow? Market. Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. My daily trade is down. Way down. Let me know in the hair out كينو تليهم أبزي please in the hair what's يا بخال what's you send to me through messengers please. Are we gonna bid or not? Are we gonna bid or not? اسمع له خدي طبق بايزوي اسمع له خدي. Okay, thank you. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we have to wait. Let me see. Oh, it's 420. أحوات 24. All right, 420. We have 20 minutes to go then. Okay, 420. Okay, 24. So كالك كرر نخلنا تجمع ما يكونن كسب وزمت let's go. Yes, okay. 24. Yeah, very much لما عن تري وزلهم بقى كل أي حكم يديروا هنا وعلى الله بزي كسيميكوندكتورز كله ريد الله مخنياتو انفيديا and then Trump ها زعما chips حقتات زلو license كله له بنبالو مالتيو كلا يكونن so ترينا as of now S&P is like لو drops let's قبر زلا buying الديبالا negative 4.24 better and then down is pull back مسيلو negative 6.63 زي حوات like up correction in euro هجي تمليس زلو and Nasdaq is in pullback alana negative 5.65 we are okay. Apple is in a bear market alla Amazon in correction and in Meta up correction alla زي حدش نحركمكم تماهرنا أنا زي حلفه and then Microsoft buying a dip and then Nvidia in a correction لومي انتاك كيت خل Nvidia we'll see maybe well ندحر صبوا report خوينا we can see Nvidia أنا ميتين سانجز أخري أنا خلنا بحث كل ندحر report صبوا جرا وقعتو ويك بيت جراتو مالتيو يا تسلا 26.97 bear market الله مالتيو 356.76 كلوز جرا so أبزخر يزلنا let me go calendar صباح economy كالي داتا مسنا Nvidia report صباحون قطبا زيو رانك قبرو مالتيو صباح حاموس عندي GDP first revision على النحوات first revision ناي GDP gross domestic product negative oh my god look this أحوات negative 0.4% تثبت negative 0.3 رخيبنا قل negative 0.4 كركب like negative had negative 0.1 up جرا لا so إذا عند حر هيت جرنا يا ويون ካብዚ ኔጌቲቭ 0.4 lower እንድሕር ኮይኑ ኔጌቲቭ 0.3 ኔጌቲቭ 0.2 እንድሕር ኮይኑ ማርኬት ጽቡቕ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ማርኬት ጽቡቕ ክኸውን ግን as long as ናይ ሎሚ ኢንቪድያ ሪፖርት ካ ጽቡቕ እንድሕር ረኺብና ኢና ኢንቪድያ ንኩሉ ክትወጦ ትኽእል እያ ማለት ክትሕዞ ትኽእል እያ ሶ ጽባሕ is a big day እዩ ኮላይ ምስ ናይ ጂዲፒን ናይ ኢንቪድያ ኣሳሲሩ ማለት እዩ ኦሎ ኢንቪድያ ጽቡቕ ሪፖርት እንድሕር ረኺብና ሎም መዓልቲ ጂዲፒ ከዓ እንድሕር ማች ገይሩ ያ we'll see green tomorrow ክንርኢ ንኽእል ኢና ኮይኑ ግን እዚአን ክልቲአን Nvidia and then GDP كنتحزن علنا مالتي. Yeah, Friday also big day PCE index علنا. So personal income and consumer spending PCE in Thailand بزلنا inflation مالتي معكني. 0.1 أبريل ور 4 وسخ قبرزي تعرف أتي خلو مالتي. 0.1 تراي نحر وسخ غيرو. We are good on Friday. Good. ما حسيتين ناي GDP انت مسيلنا كسا Friday red كوني خلي market. So, Ziahan Friday run together. All right, let's go somehow. Maybe if there is any change. All right, Nvidia. Still we have 14 minutes to go. Why they don't just bring in here press release? Or do they? Didn't they have it? 2026 January. Yeah, they should write in here 2026. Come on, bring it. 2025 done already. Okay. I don't know why it's up. Okay. Now the calendar كمتينا. So PCE year over year نسبة 2.2% نسبة لنا. well less than እንድሕር ረኺብና ማርኬትና ሕጎስ ምኽንያቱ ወር 4 already ተታሪፍ ስለዝኣተወ ብዛዕባ ናይ ቀረጥ ስለዝኣተወ ማለት እዩ ኮርፒሲ ካብ ዘይካ ምግብን ነዳድን 0.1 ንጽበለና maybe hope yes and then ኮርፒሲ year over year 2.6 so እዚ ኩሉ ሻዕ ስለንመሮ ኣሕዋት ምዚ ፋሚሊያር ኮን ለኩም ስፔሻሊ ቶም ኢንቨስተርስ like ካልእ ግን ሓደሽቲ ግን እዚ ከብደኩም ይኽእል እዩ ያ ኣብ ቶም ክላስ ዘለኹም ድዩ ዋላ ተማሃርኩም ግን ዌልካም again so GDP ጽባሕ ርኢ ኣለና okay قال انتينا هري كم تعنت بزرعنايو ناي زحلفه بسنكي ناي يا Salesforce is report ገራ ማለት اوكي ناي زحلفه እዚ chips لازلنا እዚ H20 بزيكا لايسنس ንቻይና ክሸጥ የብላን ባህሊ ትራምፕ that's why አሞዳታ ማርኬት ለማዓንት ክሎዝ red ዝገበረ ማለት this ኣብዚን ህላ አርቲክል ንባዕሉ ናይ ፑቲን when at least sanction ክገብረሉ ከም ዝኽእል አንተበውን ተገሊጹ should be right in here like still ዝኾነ sanction ክገብር ይኽእል እዩ like I think so Putin وكا Russia قرب ድሕርሕሩሎ ምስ ናይ ያ ሰላም ዝብል so أنا sanction ገብረልካ ባህላ ትራምፕ እዚኣውን ዓንተ በሃስያትና ነራ ካል لما ዓንቲ was good day that finally is bad ማለት oh wow Tesla is jumping, brother. Whoa, my goodness, what happened? Look at Tesla after hour is jumping back. I hope so. 361.29. What happened? What happened? Is it Elon? Did he say something? Okay, what happened? Tesla is like blowing now. Well, still like, how about Palantir? Palantir is also up. Okay, good. I have some shares up there and I swim trade. Tesla is coming back. What happened? Let me back in here. Okay. Oh, whoa. Like, here we go. That's why Tesla. Let me get you guys. That is why Tesla. Here we go. This is Admir 4 minutes. Breaking per Bloomberg. Tesla to launch the robotaxi on June 12th. It is ready. That's why it's coming up then. There you go. Tesla is up. It should be busted tomorrow. Now Nvidia حيزوا اللمبر. Yeah, that is why Tesla is launched on June 12th the robotaxi. Good. Yeah, let's see. We'll see what happened. Tesla, by the way, robotaxi. Tesla. محلفيت فتنة روبوتاكس اللي حرت بوجرا تعويتها خميس بالنا كله أتي خالق مسوس تأثر روبوت نبل ولا سيمي تراك بل ولا سايبر تراك بل أتي ناي اف اس دي زبو كله سمس خير غالبا. This is according to Bloomberg. That's what he said, Malik. Yeah, that's Tesla pumps قبرت هجي بزاني وسيا 1 point قال من الاب كيران لكم شت كيرا خبز اسقال ده. What's up, brother? How you doing? Good. All right, got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Have a good day.
You too. You're welcome. All right, Nvidia is up and then yeah, okay. كاتي ود عن طبولنا أنا 34 شح يخون شر جزيئة Nvidia. She knows something. She knows something this year. Call it Nvidia. Come on, refresh it. Give me that summary in here. Okay. Okay. All right. So, oh, is there any comment in here? Yeah. All right, Kyle. Well, oh yeah, Dutch Bank. مالت انت عم زلوزو SNPC all time high reach كبتصح مخانوم in the next 12 months. Of course, in the next 6 months. Come on, not 12 months. Should be in the 12 on the 6 months. Okay, guys. والحنتي يبلنا زخونه قال نقر نحرالي كنملس نخلينا نابزك نملس. Any question? كساب I think so we have 9 minutes to go. شعات تدقسل زلنا نابزك نملس نخلينا. What do you have, Benny? Okay, we gotta be careful. This guy, he know everything. Good, thank you. Nvidia is exceeded its estimated earning per share, EPS boss. Yeah, CRW. Yeah, the core web. I got you. You write that. Let me get that. CRWV. CRWV. Yes. You got it. You got it, brother. Not that one. Okay, not that one. Okay, CRWB. CRWB. There you go. Should be this. Yeah, that's you right. Let me نعاون كان صاينا مزا انفيديا طاخ نقبرينا. True. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yes. So good. The Ankility and Kenry and Alana. Nvidia, of course, Nvidia, you know that, and a CoreWave like AI company had Dasha, IPO as Gabarati again, Binai Nvidia backup as what Nvidia backup get at Hate, Berba Arsha, Trafita Halafe with like in a week is almost like CoreWave is as a Halafe someone traced 28.18 increase get up. Within a month, almost 170 جوعات النت 5 increase غيرها. But like very حدا غاز low easy like 3 months قد مثل تورح فرعان قليات مثلا تخفيتها 288 so risk is low ايو مالت we got to be careful this P ratio يقولون جنا ان market كابوناتو مالت قليل كنا 55 نطلع 3 بليون so very good تي especially trade نزقبر كال نزقبر ناتين بيرو شيء so CoreWave is خنص بيان إناو مساون زي on green كتكونيا as بين is right according Nvidia report in the حرص بقمازيو كلتي أنا زي أتنت تحيزن سلزخراق غدا عين مالتي so it's good to look على CoreWave كرئون تطبقيو look تسحوات نحمسان حمشن عن 3 بليون market cap زلوا عبياتي as of high today 226 52 weeks high 226 low of today 210 52 week lows 33 كلتن near within 2 weeks يخون مالتي sorry 2 months so this is the company we have to look again. All right, how many minutes? We have 6 minutes to go. We have 6 minutes to go. We have 6 minutes to go. All right, let me go to your chat, guys. Oh, yeah, total of 300. Okay, NVIDIA has invested total of 350 million in the CoreWave Inc. Yeah, good. Yes. ናይ 350 ሚሊዮን ሆን ኢንቨስት ገራ NVIDIA ኣብ CoreWave. That's great. ባክ ኣብ ናታይ ባይ ዘወይ እንድሕር ንሳስ ኣላ she's keep buying it. If there is something happen ድሕር ኮይኑን ክትገዝእ ከም ትኽእል እዩ ትናታ. Yeah. So I think so. What I think is it's gonna be it. أنا بقمتي yeah. تي كل ساعة quarrel بيت تقبر NVIDIA. So I expected this. Is it كهون it's a bit. أنا 4 it's a bit. And then maybe EPS maybe أبزي لو تذكر خليه. But the revenue should be. The revenue should be. مغنياتو ولا according the ناي مورغان انتايلو إذا ناي حمشت 5.5 billion زبهال write off ويك write down بسنك China تقول زلنا H20 almost ناي 1 billion راح يجي خصال وزخيل بزلنا so عندنا 1 billion تقولي ونعولنا so we like ولا 34 billion عندنا ولا رخيبنا yeah that's a good one still that's a good one مالك this is according JP Morgan مالتي. So let's see what happened 43. كأكن رأينا حوال. One of them. So this is expected. This is expected. This is according to Morgan 1 billion. Let's get it that the band result. Okay. How many minutes? About 4 minutes حوال. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. Let's put it NVIDIA. It's backing up 0.73%. Welcome. What is a CoreWave? Yep, still CoreWave is down, but could be okay. Yeah, 135.84. Boom. It's moving up. Yeah, it did. It's moving up. It's moving on, but what 37? But it was about 37 something. Yeah, it was about 37.14. Yeah, 37.18. So Trump مس يبلاشوا أبيروا closing. Yeah, هذا شد شيء متغمن خسرنا نعنا. سب أيز نداينا نقبروا ده سمنا كوهين. So okay, let's go with this. Yeah. Okay, it's moving. It's moving, but we have another 2 minutes to go. What it says, I have these people.
A lot of action. What's AMD doing here? Hovering around, waiting for NVIDIA. We have a live level 2.
Yeah, waiting for NVIDIA. Everybody's waiting for NVIDIA. AMD also. Like AMD. Waiting for NVIDIA. Waiting for NVIDIA. God damn it, guys. NVIDIA. Oh, wow. NVIDIA looks good. Come on, bring it. Waiting for NVIDIA.
So that's the one thing there. Whether or not you're long or you're short, if you don't hit the button, don't yell at me for that not coming through to you. But
oh, whoa. I can sell that now. Yeah, Tesla is down. Even though I confirm Tesla June 10 I think Tesla is down. Still NVIDIA is Tesla is down. CoreWave is still negative 0.50. So yeah, Palantir is coming up. Come on, Palantir is due. I have some shares for that trading tomorrow for you. NVIDIA. Okay. Go ahead. What do you think, guys? We have like 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. I guess I don't think so.
Yeah, of course.
So we got NVIDIA at 5 o'clock.
They're out.
Salesforce. NVIDIA's out?
And there's out 81 cents. That's not.
Oh, well, NVIDIA is out. NVIDIA is out. 81 cents. That's what I heard. This guy's from here. Come on, give me that. Ah, damn it. All right, let me go to CNBC. NVIDIA is out. No, still. Yeah, NVIDIA is out. 81 cents. All right, guys. NVIDIA is out. Revenue. Revenue 44.1 billion, up 12%. And, oh my goodness. Yeah, NVIDIA is beating that. Oh, come on, give me that. Let me read it. Let me read it. I gotta do another sources. Guys, sorry. Yes. Here you go. The revenue 4.1 billion, up 12% from Q4, and then up 69 from year ago. 69% from year ago. Okay. Video announced financial result first quarter physical. Okay. Good. And then data center. Okay. Wow. EPS is 81. All right. I like that. Let me get NVIDIA. Hold on, guys. Let me bring this from here. NVIDIA. All right. Got it. I got it. That thing says, okay. Here you go. Oh, damn it. All right, let's go over it, guys. Yeah, outlook, NVIDIA outlook for the first quarter of like 2026 as follows. Revenue is expected to be 43.06 billion plus or minus 2%. GDP 70.6, 71. Okay, but I need the data. Where is the one? This is bullshit. This is not happy. How about this source? Yeah, anyway, NVIDIA is 2026 with revenue of 4.1 billion, up 12%, and then 69 ካብዚ ሓለፈ year over year ናይ Q ማለት እዩ. Data center is 39.1 billion increase. That's great. Where is my EPS? Yeah, 45.0 billion plus. All right, hold on this ኣሕዋት. I need you guys ሕዝዋ እዚኣ ንQ2 ዝመጽእ 2026 ማለት revenue 45 billion expected ኣሎ ማለት plus or minus 2% ብሰንኪ H20 ማለት እዩ. And then 45 ትጽቢት ኣሎ. And then reflected 8.0 billion ክሳራ ብሰንኪ H20 revenue due to that export controls. This is next Q ጥራሕ ይጽልዋ ከምጽእ ዝኽእል. Next Q2 ዝመጽእ ይጽልዋ ከምጽእ ዝኽእል. Well, how about now? ኣብ ሕጂ ጽልዋ ይሕደረን almost 3.8 billion ይኾን revenue gaming ገይሮም ኣለዉ. ወላ ሓንቲ ጽልዋ ኣይሕደረን ኣብዚ. Okay. So, all right, let me go with this. All right, 44.1 billion up 69, and then data center, and then gaming revenue. Okay, strong Q2 guidelines. guidelines ናይ Q2 very strong is 45 billion ክመጽ ማለት እዩ then እዚ ከማን China restriction ክሳብ ዝሃለዎ ማለት እዩ okay good where is my EPS I need that EPS all right yes EPS okay EPS 0.81 it's bit yeah and then 0.996 excluding the H20 بسنك H20 امبر H20 تدخل نيرها 0.96 مخونه نيرو so we got it أحوات we got it Nvidia has got it I don't know the timeline but we got it almost up 2% now so this is how but maybe tomorrow is a good day so let me conclude my things I don't know what to tell you we got it good we got it so كده كمان أبزين revenue 44.1 بليون تثبيتنا revenue خندي نيرو نبزاكم تساكم يحوات revenue 43 نيرو we got it almost 44.1 billion sorry 0.1 billion good and then EPS خندي تثبيت نيرو 73 نيرو we got 0.81 إذا كمان still to H20 انت تقول نيرا 0.96 مخانه all right forget that so revenue Q2 نزمت Q2 2026 زمت مالت انت امز حلزلو 45 billion all right very good outline guidelines for next year مالتي good all right let's back in detail can react فتنا I guess yeah as of now Nvidia is about 139 we are moving my friend Abrahalo the how by let's go Tesla is up or 361.10 will be 1.70% up Nvidia is up 3% and then CoreWeave is up 1.58% good one Bene thank you how about my Palantir yeah not happy I need that 126 I gotta get some couple thousands on it so for tomorrow so yeah I don't know this is good right this is good news I just want to say good news راح يخبل زغل من البات yeah this is good news 140 yeah it should be what we expected is EPS yeah ولا revenue احوات ولا revenue ده رأيكم look this in detail as الله yeah 45 billion plus and minus مالت زي Q2 زمتي plus and minus so زيجن H20 already ولا Trump restricted أكبر كال chips فترة low so كشوت يوم منهم شجر يلا look this أحوات like growing 12% like 12% revenue grow قبل كله it's quarterly that's a big one and then 69% year over year I like this Tesla wise come on so we need this kind of for Tesla all right good thing this is the good one so outlook like ongoing China impacted with unexpected of 8.0 billion yeah Miss China zolo up Q1 almost 8 billion hon ksara mat kagatani khali that's fine don't worry about it we got you license kambakina Trump Malaysia we got you so H20 let's see that yeah good let's back again to the in detail yeah I'll be up so conference ساعة 5 يزلو I don't have to be here نزي أحوات أبتناي conference كيركم كسمعوا تقولهم نتايبل نسو why is not giving me in here again all right here you go this is now bullying out this is not good so webcam كيركم all right here goes search like this Nvidia لكم look this أحوات زي Nvidia investor relation لكم search جبروا زي search مسجوركم أبزال علويت أب كيلو so yeah and then financial بلوه quarterly خالكم result خيرو so أمس الله نهلكا 2026 so the result the press release تنبوبو تخلوهم زي مالت انتاي كم زي جنبلت أنا حناي what is مالتي then كله انتاي كتقبرو تخلوهم if you want to hear جان كزاربي مالتي webcast أبزي آخركم yeah للinformation كم أتو سمكم لاسنيمكم قال كسمعوهم انتاي بلي خال نمت عايز بلو زلو مالتي very good guidelines يبنا زلو let me back to that actually كم زرعنا revenue 4.1 billion up 12% from Q4 cap Q4 ذا حلفه and then cap عمت ملك 12 minus 69 damn it this is big guys All right, data center in detail is significant. Yeah, on April 9, 2025, NVIDIA was informed by USA government that license required for export of it's H20. Is it as whole شغلات فتيرة نيران. Yeah, April 9, Matthew Trump, hey, come on, I don't need that. April 9 Matthew, no, H20 in the حكشت هونكي license يلي كيلوا. So capture عشتاتن almost 5.5 billion هون. NVIDIA insure comes جبر comes خسرت ab inventory comes له قليس أنيرا. Oh well, yeah, this is good. ولا حنتي I tell you what, we got a good report مالتي. So EPS is good 0.8. Next quarter كأت زبالتها next quarter نتبادلها 45 billion نتبادلنا مالتي. Okay, so you can go in detail ترى 44 whatever أبزنه لكم. Then EPS أبزنه له. You can do that 2026 مالتي in detail. Thank you so much. أبزي أخيركم كم وازبلنا investor relation لكم كيركم أبعاتهم بزعبات to webcam أبزخ سمعوا تخلوهم أنت إزبل سمعوا مالتي what he said information قرب على هاكم تملوا حبريتهم your like first name last name email and then I'm in like you know I'm individual attendance لكم campaign لكم نتزبلوا زلك سمعوا تخلوهم can you tell if NVIDIA is up almost yeah جنا نسون تخبل لي 2.46 yes yeah CoreWeave is up almost 0.99% as of now. Tesla is up about 1.06 and then Palantir is up about 0.56. So good news is market's gonna happy. That's all we want. Yeah, two like data center sales jump 73. My goodness, that's a lot. Market is happy. Market is happy. We are happy. We'll be okay tomorrow, Mality. That's all we want to say. أبصراحة سلازله in detail financial خيراك النحوات نزتات مخصبهم كسارهم كنقلصين خلنا هجي. We are in the work time. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. All right. Yes. Congrats. Yes. Yeah, of course. Yeah, congrats. NVIDIA investors. I got this one of our great guys. I hope كفالي بزنت اللحقة. Can I like you know stop loss جرنا كنقص level نيرو عند فرق نيرو we didn't answer that. Yeah, tomorrow we might see 150 whatever it is. 160 very much very soon مالتي. Yeah, Trump's بحال سبعة. I know Trump's بحال سبعة. شكر كلنا. Yes, yeah. Yeah. أنت بدراب تقبرنا. So we get صباح حجي صباح لنا. ناي صباح أنت أنا هنرئيس لنا حوات ناي تا GDP revision على هنا تا GDP revision اللي حد صباح قاعد صباح مسيو. هاي وريقا GDP revision negative 0.4 يبلالو كابون تحت ندحر مسيو صباح no question we have a green day. إذا ندحر حماق مسيو حزني إذا GDP revision GDP revision ندحر negative 0.5 0.6 قال ندحر مسيو كابز تسبين لعلي we might not see tomorrow green هوا صباح green تكرر نخلينا because GDP is the most important ناي recession kicks up زخونة مالتي so صباح نايزا revision زيا كابز تسبيت نتحت ندحر كوينا we might see NVIDIA like 150 all time high كري أنا خلينا NVIDIA صباح whatever it is كل الماركت صبوا كنا خلان as Tesla خا جون 12 كأخذهم سألنا عربة تاكسي we'll see okay إذا GDP ندحر كابزي تثبت لعلي نام negative 0.7 0.8 ندحر ما تأجل هاي recession كفري خلي قطبة we might see red قالوا صباح كفر هنا زغل كان هاي ترامب كم زعقر جروزلو every I don't know بتعرفي مثلا زلوا تحمق نتبين بزراب everything ندحر negative زارب اللي خا نسخة كتكعنا خلي لو ما عندنا عملت كل تزارب هي نراشا sanction اللي عيله تزارب ندحر عرق عبي خنو within 2 weeks sanction قبري okay قالوا ني China زغشيت دخون chips كا نحنا license لذلنا again لو ما عندنا دقيموت أو كبر لهم عليتي that's how it is and thank you so much guys enjoy your day happy and congrats again. Yeah, Kafali, here you go, Kafali's here. Yes. Here you go, Kafali's here. Are you happy now? Got you. Yeah, Kafali is one of our great students. He's one of Captain Mamaharan Abu Zaloui. Anto تتقرأت إرسي short تي stop loss بالت كسارة نخايت خسرسي stopped بالالو. جرنا دهون كسل بالنيرو so I hope we got a good report, brother. Congrats again. Thank you guys. All right, still love you. I'll see. Sorry, أبصراحة سلزله. It's fundamental كخدو. مدلله تي up and down. It's financial gun. Now NVIDIA it's always profit. It's always good profit. It's cost of goods sold نبلو أبزن كله نري مكاين أبقى له heavy نجار برا بعد NVIDIA it's like product تي مسرحي مجزي نجارسي بزح قصة قبره من there okay so we'll see Tesla sorry we'll see Nvidia صباح but أنا average لعلم 140 كرينا sure good حزوة don't forget the GDP with that all right thank you I'll see you guys all right love you everybody bye bye thank you